The winners in 2025 are not going to be the marketers, developers, or designers. The winners in 2025 are going to be AI generalists who can do it all. How do I know this? Take this guy for example, Liam Otley, who built and scaled his AI automation agency, Moneyside AI, from $0 to $4 million in span of 2 years. Bro, this is crazy because I ain't heard anything like this in my whole life. And he did this by mastering specific AI skills. In this video, I'm going to show you top 3 AI skills that you need to master in 2025. I'll show you why AI generalists are going to dominate every industry in the coming years. And as a bonus, I'm going to show you how to get started in these AI skills, even if you have zero experience in this field. Trust me, this is going to be the best video you ever watched in 2025. So make sure you watch to the end. So let's talk about AI generalists. So who are AI generalists? AI generalists are individuals who basically have the power of AI at their fingertips. So they are basically individuals who are not necessarily experts in specific fields, but leverage the power of AI to know how to implement on a job like experts would do. So let's take an example like a doctor who is a specialist in, let's say, the brain, or a developer who is a specialist in building websites or software, or even a designer who is a specialist in designing flyers, banners, etc. Right. Now, these specialists spend a ton of years, 4 years, 8 years, depending on the field or specialty, to master these skills and are able to become experts in this field. So these are specialists. Now, the difference here is that AI generalists are individuals who have not spent all these years learning or mastering any of these specific skills, but are only leveraging AI, which has been equipped with all these skills that these specialists spend 4 years, 8 years mastering. And these generalists leverage these skills by inheriting them from AI. I think this is just one smart move anybody could literally like jump on, because think about it, it's just a no-brainer. You don't need to literally spend all these years to acquire all these skills. Of course, I'm not saying you can have all these skills, it's not good, but I'm just explaining who an AI generalist is. Person leverages the charm or the magic of AI, and AI obviously understands some of these things even better than some specialists. So takes advantage of the fact that AI has been equipped with all these skills and tool sets and uses them, studies how to leverage all these things. So this person becomes a one-person army, can use AI to implement solutions in any kind of industry. So let me give an example. Imagine if I'm not a software engineer, right? I don't know how to build software. I don't know how to even build websites. And I don't have any experience in marketing. I don't have any experience in graphic design. As an AI generalist, this is the leverage I stand to get. If I master the skill set of being a good AI generalist, I can literally pull up a website for any business that I want to branch out into by myself. I can literally come up with beautiful images and art copies by using AI, using tools like Midjourney and DALL-E, etc. For myself, I can literally use AI to generate content for my social media and use AI to edit my videos. So you're getting the picture now. One person being able to leverage the power of AI to do the job of expert, and obviously the results AI is going to output for you is going to be expert results, because who doesn't know that AI is the beautiful magician who has all the knowledge in the whole world, right? Because we did that to AI. We created AI like that. So that is the whole point. As an individual, I can do all these things. And of course, if you're a specialist as a generalist, you'd basically be able to come up with good, if not top-notch results. You just need to master these skills so well. So you get a point. So why should you be an AI generalist? Let's delve a bit deeper into that. You need to be an AI generalist because of the change in the ecosystem, right? When internet came in the 90s, people were reluctant to hop on the internet. But look at now, internet powers our entire life. It's the same revolution that is going to happen with AI in the coming years. AI is new. A lot of people don't know about it, don't know how to utilize it. But trust me, give yourself 5 to 10 years from now, it's going to become like the internet. And the skill that would enable you assist in this competition is by being somebody who can understand how to leverage AI to do the jobs of many other people, basically being a generalist. So you realize that there's going to be a shift in the job market. So it's so crucial for anybody to understand the fundamentals of becoming an AI journalist. You need to start embracing this lifestyle, because that is going to be the future. And if you do not start embracing this future, then trust me, you're going to be left out. So this is why you need to be an AI journalist. Let me give you another example. In the period of evolution, where species needed to basically metamorphose, into different phases to adapt to environmental change, the species that survived are species that were able to adapt to changing environments, and the species that got extinct were species that were not able to adapt to changing environments. Why this example? The reason I'm bringing this example is that as human beings, the environment in which we find ourselves can change based on circumstances. So the most adaptable human beings are always going to win. It's not the smartest human beings or the strongest human beings. It's the most adaptable human beings that are going to win. So if you want to win in this competition, you need to adapt. You don't need to be the strongest. You don't need to be the smartest. You don't need to be the guy that scores A in their exams. You just need to be able to adapt. And that is why I'm making this video to show you. So this is an AI journalist. Let's jump right into the top 3 skills you need to master in the AI field to set you apart from everybody. Great. So if you are getting so much value in this video already, do well to like this video, share with somebody, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Great. So let's move on to my top 3 skills you need to master in 2025 to be an AI journalist and dominate any industry you find yourself in. Trust me, these skills are a must know in the AI space, and you need to learn either all of them or one of them. Okay, so my first top AI skill you need to learn is chatbot creation. What are chatbots? AI chatbots are basically automated systems that run on AI that simulate human-like conversations. So they can be pre-coded or pre-defined to answer specific questions. So like you go on a particular website and then you see that there are certain preambles. Okay, what is your name, why you are here, etc. Or they can be programmed to simulate conversations intelligently, and this is where the chatbot is using what we call the NLP to basically answer some of these questions. So why are chatbots so important, right? Chatbots can be used to handle customer experience jobs. So basically, chatbots can answer questions intelligently, even at times better than humans would answer them. And of course, they do better in answering questions and not insulting clients like some customer experience people would do to you. Like I literally had a phone conversation or a text message with somebody and trying to inquire about something, and it's like, bro, the person is fighting with me. Like, I mean, AI is not going to do that. So businesses understand these loopholes, and if you're able to build intelligent and smart chatbot solutions for them, it's a no-brainer for them to get you install these systems for them. Another use case of AI chatbot is e-commerce. Now think about going to a website and then being served with an AI chatbot which is so smart and can recommend you products to buy based on certain inputs you give to the AI. Maybe, oh, I am feeling bored, so recommend something that I could buy that would just spicing up my day. Or maybe it's birthday or Christmas, and you go to this chatbot and you're like, I want a gift for my husband or my wife or my girlfriend, etc. Can you recommend a gift based on this, that, and that? You're able to literally specify some of her interests and all that. And AI is going to intelligently go to the repository of their website's database and recommend product that fits your best requirements, this is a no-brainer, right? This is literally going to take humans so long to get back to you and respond to you and all that, but AI can do this easily. Another use case Another use case of AI is in the health sector, which helps in diagnosing sickness. You can literally talk to an optimized chatbot for the health sector, which can recommend some conditions for you or some medications for you. And this is awesome. You don't need to literally see a doctor before you can get quick solutions to simple problems. So these are good use cases of AI chatbots. Now, how can you build AI chatbots? So I'm going to show you some tools that you can use to build AI chatbots quickly. You can use a tool like Babel. And the interesting thing about this is I'm going to show you tools that will not require you a ton of years of experience to learn. They are literally going to be tools that are low code based, right? So a tool like Babel, though is not a chatbot oriented software, can be used to build chatbots by leveraging their application programming interface, that's their API connector, to connect with OpenAI ChatGPT to build custom chat solutions. So all you are just doing is that you are just empowering your Babel application with ChatGPT's potential through an API connection. So that is what Babel can do for you. And that tool you can use is what we call Chatfuel. And Chatfuel is a chatbot oriented software which allows you to build dynamic chatbots. And you can also use VoiceFlow. VoiceFlow also allows you to build complex chatbots by literally giving you a visual interface where you can program any logic into these chatbots. And the good news about some of these things is that they allow you to connect your own knowledge base. So the chatbot has understanding about your systems and your processes in your office. I think about it. Imagine you have like a knowledge base of information about how your company runs and all that. You can feed all this data to a chatbot, and the chatbot can learn and intelligently answer questions in that space when they are asked that. This is an awesome opportunity to explore in the AI field. So, tools, voice agents. And I think this is probably one of the interesting one to me. Voice agents. What are voice agents? These are agents that are basically able to speak like humans and are used for processes like cold calling, inbound calling, and can literally do anything on the phone for you. Can accept calls, can book appointments, can schedule meetings for you all via a call. Now, imagine an instance like this where you deploy a system like this for a company. On their sign-up forms, once any user fills the sign-up forms and fills their username, maybe their phone number, etc., about a particular product or service they are trying to inquire about, once they are done and they click the submit button, after a couple of seconds, they receive a call, and it's from an AI assistant who is trying to convert them and book them on an appointment to meet with either your sales team or your marketing team and close them on a deal. How powerful would this be to your business? This is going to increase your close rate because based on research, it's been proven that once you are able to engage a lead in the first 1 to 5 minutes of they contacting you, your chance of closing these leads are high. And you can achieve this with voice agents. So you want to know how to build voice agents? It's really simple. You only need to learn how to use tools like Retail AI. Retail AI is a very powerful software that allows you to build voice agents by allowing you to basically deploy outbound voice agents or inbound voice agents, which can literally call real phone numbers for your business or accept phone calls from real phone numbers for your business. Another tool you can also use is Synflow.ai. It's also a powerful tool that allows you to build voice agents so easily and so rapidly in that visual interface, and anybody can deploy agents like this. All you just need to do is sit down, spend some time, learn these tools, and you're able to deploy any voice agent of your choice. So number 3 on my list, automation, AI automation. What is automation? Automation is basically I'm literally using the same word again. I was about to say basically automating repetitive stuff, but you get a point. Like basically, not stop doing what you are doing manually and then allow a machine to do it for you. Right? That's the best way I can explain it for you. So that's automation, and this is one of the top skills that you need to learn how to do, because businesses are going to pay you money to literally automate their processes. Trust me, there are a lot of businesses, and the fact that we are even in Ghana, you know how people do this paperwork and all these things. Trust me, this is a viable opportunity in a country like this, where you can literally automate all these processes for these businesses and save them a ton of money, rather than allowing them go to spend those money to recruit people to come and spend time do all these things. You can just build them one system. They automate their processes and they can literally pay you recurrent money to maintain these systems for them. It's a no-brainer for you. So that is automation. How can you build an automation system? You can build an automation system using tools like make.com or Zapier. Make.com is a platform that allows you to build automations using a visual interface. So all that you do is that it allows you to have access to so many services. Like I literally can't even mention them, like ChatGPT, Google Sheets, Excel. Any service you can ever think of, you can connect to on make.com, and you can literally deploy a workflow which is going to take an action. So let me give you an example. Imagine you have, let's say, a website form, right, where people fill in data, right? You can set up a make automation which connects to your website. When people fill these forms, you probably send them an email notification, or you can update your CRM with their contact details once they fill the form from your website, and you can do some processes with their information in your CRM. So this is something that is going to really be adapted by businesses in Ghana in the coming years. And if you equip yourself with these skills, trust me, you are going to be one of the AI generalists who is going to crush it in 2025 and the years to come. So like I promised, I have delivered. I've given you the top 3 AI skills that I think you should learn in 2025. And I've given you the tools that you can literally start learning these skills on. I've given you examples in the chatbot, examples in the voice agents, and example in automation. So make sure that you learn these tools. I'm going to include resource in the description to help you literally or walk you through some of these things that I've said if you couldn't follow through. So don't worry, and trust me, once you decide to go all in on AI, trust me, this is going to be a decision you're never going to regret. So yeah, that brings us to the end of this video. If you are interested in any of these things, AI chatbots, automations, voice agents, and you want to integrate some of these things in your businesses, feel free to reach out to me via my social media. This is Wiseman on Instagram, TikTok, etc. And I'll be so glad to help you integrate these things in your business.